This is the Hy-Vee barrier assembly video. Everything you need is included. Apply the felt pads to the bottom of the base plates on the four corners. Slide the insert block into the hole of the lower upright. Align the hole from the insert block with the holes from the bar and use the medium-sized screw and the 2.5mm hex key to secure the insert block. Repeat with the second upright. Align the hole from the base plate with the hole from the insert block and secure using the large base plate screws and the 6mm hex key. Repeat with the other base plate. Use the 4-inch rectangle piece of Sintra to locate the height of the horizontal bar. Attach the lower horizontal bar to complete a U-shape. Slide the white Sintra panel in the vertical bars until seated in the groove of the lower horizontal bar. Attach the upper upright to the lower upright using the inline connectors and the small screws. Repeat with the other side. Secure the remaining horizontal bar at the top of the panel with the top edge in the bar's groove. Lock the bar in place. Attach the upper upright to the lower upright using the inline connectors and the small screw. Repeat with the other side. Peel the film from the plexi on both sides. Attach the multi-gasket to the vertical side of the plexi panel. Repeat with the other side. Slide the plexi and the multi-gasket into the vertical channels. Attach the end caps to the top of the verticals.